Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see jQuery fade-in method. jQuery fade-in method is used to appear HTML elements. We can decide either the element will appear fast or slow in fade-in method. So let's see fade-in method with practical example. For fade-in method in jQuery, first we see one simple example. We have taken heading. This is fade-in example, and here style property must be display none. Otherwise we can't see the fade-in effect. And we have taken one button. In ready function of jQuery, first we need click event for button 1. After clicking the button, we want to see fade-in effect on heading. So F is small and I is capital. Here we can see fade-in effect on this heading. We can see the fade-in effect is very fast. So we can write here slow. The effect becomes slow. We can give here also timing in numbers. The effect will happen in 5 seconds. The effect is taking 5 seconds. Also we can give timing according to our requirement. Now fade-in effect takes 10 seconds, which is very slow. Now we have taken div1, and here in style width 0, height 0, border left 40 pixel solid transparent, border right 40 pixel solid transparent, border bottom 80 pixel solid light blue. We want the fade in effect on div, so here div 1, and here Now we can see the fade in effect on this tube. Now it happens fast. If we give here slow. So that's all for fade in method in jQuery. Thanks for watching.